as we know what to do right now, the main thing that we have to be doing is to extract the designation first. To do that, because we already have the value in PDF data variable, let's quickly take an assign activity and drag it. Just go back to whatever we have just done. So this everything is available to us in this thing. Okay, so this is the variable that we were talking about. So to use the substring function, we have to first find this start index, right? To find the start index, we need two things. We need to find the index of this, and the length of this will give us the start index. So just try to copy this till here, copy, and then paste it right here. Okay, so just create an variable with the name index. Okay, enter. Just copy this over here. Index. Change this to int. Once that is done, if we just go back to it, the next thing that we have to do is find the length of this. So copy this and then go back to here and use another assign, paste this, okay, and create a new variable called length. Enter. Just copy this and paste it over here. So as per this understanding, we know the start index of a dot designation and the length of it. So when we pass the combined value of this to this substring, it should give us this value. Let's see if it's happening. Go back to this and create a variable called start index and enter. Copy. Just add these two values, index plus length. The expectation is this will give the start index, which we will use it in substring function. So as we have this value, let's see if it's able to display this data to us when we use it in this particular substring method. Going back, let me take another assign and use Ctrl K, substring value, and then enter. We'll just pass PDF data dot substring of whatever value you have in the above. It's start index. And let's display the value in substring value. Okay, fine with that. Let's keep a breakpoint over here. Breakpoint, and then I'm trying to debug it. Okay, right here we are. It's trying to read it. Then we have this particular data right here. Moving on. If you just see, the index value is 0 right now. If I just click step into, there is some value. So basically what it's trying to tell is it has found this value at the index 181. So in the length, it's 16. So the length of this is 16. So we are trying to find substring starting at that particular index. Okay, so there must be a value in substring, so there is nothing because this is not yet executed. Click on step into, and there is some value. If you can see, just click submit. See, this is what we were also expecting, right? So if you just drag it to the side and open this, so this is how exactly it looks like. It is starting from QA analyst and it is scrolling down. Okay, so we have done till this point. Next thing is to use split so that we only retrieve this value. Going back, just stop this, and now use another S sign, and here Control K, designation, and enter. To designation, if I just go back to this, what we have tried to do is whatever value we have tried to apply split to it so that it splits with the help of new line, and from there we want to get the first index element. To do that, go back to it. We have the current value, which is this, in a variable called substring value. Substring value dot split, into which I need to pass VBLF and then 0 over here. But as you can see, yeah, it's done. Okay, so what I will try to do is I will try to display the result now. Okay, designation this time. Let me run it instead of debugging. Run file. So this is the whole result. This is the substring that we have. From that we have got the value called QA analyst. So this is how we were able to fetch designation from it.